In a world that never stops ticking, one factory defines precision. Here, time isn't just measured, it's crafted. Welcome inside the high-tech heart of modern watchmaking, where every second counts. While stainless steel enters the line, CNC machines carve microscopic details with surgical accuracy. Tiny gears, springs, and plates, all measured in microns, come to life under robotic precision and human mastery. Each component is polished, assembled, and tested in temperature-controlled clean rooms. Automated arms place sapphire glass with flawless alignment. Every movement undergoes 200-point inspections, ensuring perfection, down to a single heartbeat of time. From raw metal to mechanical art, every watch born here carries a legacy of innovation and elegance. This isn't just manufacturing, it's engineering time itself. Welcome to the Watch Factory, where precision becomes beauty.